and welcome back to genuinely about 5 minutes after the end of the last video. Cut my hand. But we've just left the campsite and we're going this way. I don't know, John's there, Di's somewhere in front, and we're going this way. Not 100% sure where this way is, I'm not sure where it's going to go to, but this is the way that we're going. Like I said, I'm going to try and pick up the camera just a little bit more, just so, look at this, look at that, very pretty. But I am going to try and pick up the camera a little bit more and just show you guys what we're getting up to. But as I said in the last video, we're literally just turning up to campsites, having something to eat and a few drinks and just enjoying ourselves. We've all worked very hard to get to this point where we are now, and we're just enjoying. So I will try my absolute best, but hopefully you guys are enjoying this little mini series of what's going on. It's like a football or rugby ground there. What's that? Inverness football ground. Cool. So yeah, we're going to try, and Toby's in charge of the camera, so if you don't get a lot of footage, blame him. It's his fault. Where's this go? Hospital. Cool. That's not where we're going. Yeah, so we're going to sort of mosey on to wherever we're going. So see you in a moment. Well, we parked up at the end of this lane, well, you can kind of see the vans down there, and everybody's wandered off. Not entirely sure what we're actually doing, but we're at Loch Ness, I know that much, I think. Yeah. I think Loch Ness is literally just over there. You can kind of see it there. But I'm not entirely sure what we're doing. I just know that we're really far away from wherever we should be. And John's ringing me. Hold up. Well, there we are. We are at Loch Ness. Look at this. This place, this camera ain't going to do this thing justice, but this is absolutely massive. We haven't seen Nessie yet though. That's the thing. But we were supposed to be getting on a boat trip, but we missed the boat. So me and Toby are playing at Loch Ness, and it's very beautiful. The camera ain't going to show this thing justice, but I wonder if I can zoom in enough. That over there is a boat. And if I go back to, see, that is massive. It's very peaceful. Beautiful. I'm going to sit here and we're going to look to see if we can see Nessie. Do you reckon we're going to see her?
That's the chance of someone.
Someone's playing the bagpipes. Don't know if you can hear that. Someone's playing the bagpipes.
You're doing a good job at it.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Well, me and Toby, we're going to go wandering up that way and just have a little explore, because why not? It's not every day you get to walk alongside the loch like this. So yeah, we're going to have a little wander up by here, and when the boat gets back we'll pick up the adventure. So see you in a mo.
Look beyond the ship's bow and see some of the most beautiful scenery in Scotland. Being cared for by the 7 men of Glenmoriston, which lies further down Loch Ness.
Right, well, there's the boat trip done. We unfortunately missed the first trip, the one that John and Di went on. We went on the one after. They've gone down to the castle, which is 10 minutes away, apparently. Even though it's not, it says 10 minutes, but I don't think so. And yeah, they've gone for a walk around there while we went and did the boat trip. Actually, quite fun. Something just fell over in the back.
Oh.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Very nice and sort of relaxing. And we can actually say that we've been on the loch. I also fell in it as well. Not off the boat. When we were waiting for the boat, I was like on the little rocks under, like down the side, and slipped in. So I can officially say I've been in the loch, which is quite different. But we're off now to the castle, and I genuinely can't tell you the name of it. But if I remember, I'll put it on screen. We're going to go there for a bit, and then we're going to head off to Dornoch. I don't think it's called Dornoch. I think it's, I don't know. I don't know the name of it. But that's a T4. Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Right, we are going to head off, meet up with the rest of them, and continue the trip wherever it takes us. So when something happens, we'll pick a camera up. So see you in a moment. And welcome back. So we've done Loch Ness, we had a little bit of a wander around, picked up a few souvenirs from like the gift shop and what have you. So we got one, he got one for his sister. So yeah, it was a nice little trip. We can officially say that we've been to Loch Ness, and we looked for Nessie and we couldn't find her.
She not there.
No. She's sleeping today.
Oh, she don't like us.
But we're now on our way to Dornoch, something like that. And then from there we're going up to Wick, which is where we're actually spending the night. So it's, well, it's only 50 minutes now, but I think it was an hour and 20 when we first left off.
Yeah, like, something like that.
Something like that, I don't know.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get to Wick, have a little wander around. No, we're not, sorry. We're going to get to Dornoch, have a little wander around, and then off up to Wick, which I think is another hour and a half drive again, I think. And then, yeah, that's where we're spending the night. And then tomorrow, who knows? We'll figure that out when we get there. But what was your opinion on Loch Ness, Toby?
It was good. I liked it.
Nice, wasn't it? The loch was massive.
Huge.
Absolutely huge that loch was.
It didn't stop going, I was literally just following it, it kept going.
Going and going. It was unbelievable, fair play.
Very, very deep as well.
But we're behind Di and John, and we are off travelling.
Yes, we are.
Cool, there's something glass clanging about. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
But we're gonna head off to Dornoch. So when we get there, we'll show you what's going on. So see you in a bit. Right, well, I didn't pick a camera up because it ran out of battery, but we went to the beach up in Dornoch, something like that, and it was absolutely freezing. But I don't know where we are now, but this bit of road is unbelievable. Show them this on it. Got like hairpins, Got another big hairpin back there. We got this big one now. No. That we're going round now. What an absolute... This is probably one of the best driving roads I have ever been on. This is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable this road is. It is a little bit of a shame that we are stuck behind the lorry at the minute, but it is what it is. We're enjoying it. But show you this little bit by ear, and we're gonna make our way to Wick with John
Wick.
So John Wick. Absolutely stunning.
I'm so high, but it's fun.
Right, we're gonna get going because the camera's just kicked off saying it's low on battery again. So Toby's gonna go in the back and put that on charge. We're gonna carry on. We've got half hour until we get to Wick, so we're gonna get that done. And hopefully, if I remember when we get there, I'll pick a camera up. If not, I'll see you in the morning. So we'll find out if for you in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, people. Welcome to day number 3. We actually stayed in that house that's behind me now. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? But we already had that thing booked the other day. Well, of a week. So we thought we'd all stay there. And we've all had a really bad night's sleep. The beds weren't very comfy. But had breakfast, had a coffee. And my bonnet's open. But it's not actually that bad. That spill off pipe just there is a tad bit leaky. Put fuel in the other day and I was like, I can smell fuel. It turns out my spill off pipe's being very spill off pipey. So there you go, very conveniently enough, have some. So that, I need that, I need, what is that doing there? That one, I need that one, and I need that one. My job this morning is to change your spill off pipe. Cool. Which is easy enough. That panel off, 13, 10s, pull that forward and then get to it easily. Then in for a shower and then we're off to John O'Groats. That is the plan and that's what we're going to stick to. So I'm going to get this done, finish off getting myself ready, and why is that fell off? Oh boy. Yeah, I'm going to get this done, get ourselves ready, and I'll pick this up in a bit. So wish me luck, wish us luck, see you in a mo. Alright, there we go, as you can hear she's running up. Nice new spill off pipe. Nice new spill off pipe all done. There's the old one, don't really want to touch it. But Mr. Dynamo is all up and about. Spin off pipe is done. Everything is perfect. Just wanted to run it up for a minute. Just wanted to run it up for a couple of minutes and just make sure that it's not leaking from anywhere else. Have a little bit of a tidy up now. Empty the rubbish that's in the van from like snacking on the way. Shower and then on the road. And my alternator's alternating. But that's probably going to be the end of this one. I'm going to put the camera down, get ourselves ready, and then I'll see you again when we go to John O'Groats. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this bit. See you in the next video when I'm a bit cleaner and we're in John O'Groats. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.